Hi, my name is Damon Giles, and today I'll be looking at question 4 from paper 2 of the 2022 external exam. Question 4. The table shows the current road length in kilometres between 6 towns. The government plans to build a direct road between Menin and Farah. Use a network diagram to determine the length of the direct road if it is to be 4 kilometres shorter than the length of the current shortest road route between Menin and Farah. So the first thing that we need to do from this table is we need to draw up a network. So I've got a total of 6 towns. So I need to, first of all, draw the 6 towns on my network. So what we'll do is we'll start off with Menin. Okay, so there's Menin. I'll put that in a circle. We got Veria, so we'll put Veria in a circle as well. The next town is, we've got Bollant, so we'll put Bollant in a circle. We've also got Farah, so we'll put Farah in a circle. We've got Recent. Okay, so we'll put that one in a circle. And our last town is Allen, and we'll put that one there in a circle. Okay, so there's our 6 towns. So the next thing we need to do is we need to actually draw the network. So Menin, for example, the distance between it and Veria is 16. Okay, so we connect those two up and we'll simply write 16 on the edge. Okay, Menin connects to Bollant. So we'll connect up Menin to Bollant, and that is 34. Okay, Menin also connects up here to Allen for 33. So Menin connects up with Allen, and that is a distance of 33 kilometres. Okay, that is Menin done. Veria then connects to Bollant for 12. Okay, so we've got Veria and Bollant. So we'll connect those two up, and that's going to be 12. Okay, what else do we have? We've got Veria and Allen for 15. Okay, so we've got Veria and Allen, and we'll just go straight across there, and that's going to be a distance of 15 kilometres. Okay, Bollant and Recent for 10. So Bollant and Recent, that one, we'll connect those two up there. That is a total of 10 kilometres. We've also, and that's it for Bollant. It doesn't connect up with any other towns. We've then got Farah with Recent for 15. So we've got Farah with Recent for 15. Farah also connects up with Allen for 23. So we've got Allen across to Farah, and that there is a total of 23 kilometres. And the last one, we got Recent with Allen for 15. So we've got Recent and Allen there for a total of 15 kilometres. Okay, that is our network diagram drawn. So at this stage, we've correctly got the 6 towns with a circle around them. That is worth 1 mark. We've then correctly included the lengths on all of our diagram, our network there. That is worth a 2nd mark. So far we've got 2 out of 5 marks. In order to get our 3rd mark, we need to actually find the shortest path, as the question says, between Menin and Farah. So there's a number of different ways that we can get from Menin to Farah. In terms of the shortest possible way, if I was to go from Menin, I'll just highlight this for you. So if I was to go from Menin across here to Veria, and then from Veria, if I was to go around here to Bollant, And then from Bollant, if I was to go along this line here to Recent, and then from Recent, if I was to go along here to Farrer, if I was to do that, my shortest path, the shortest path that I can see, the shortest path for me would equal, so I went from Menin to Viria to Bollant to Recent to Farrer. So that's the shortest path. Now, if I was to add those lengths of those edges, so we've got a 16 plus a 12 plus a 10 plus a 15. So in terms of kilometres, because it says the units were in kilometres, that distance, so that comes to 53 kilometres, okay, for the shortest path. So if we were able to determine that shortest path, that would give us our third mark. So that there is going to be our third mark out of 5 marks. Identifying the length, so our shortest path was MVBRF. So that's 1 mark. And then, as I said, our length of 53 kilometres, that was also a mark. So far we've got 4 out of 5 marks. Need to be careful. The last part of the question says, use a network diagram to determine the length of the direct road if it is to be 4 kilometres shorter than the length of the current shortest road. Okay, so therefore the new road length that we're going to need and we'll squeeze that, actually we'll put it over here. So our new road length, so the new road length is going to equal that 53 kilometres, subtract the 4 because it's got to be 4 kilometres shorter. So it's actually going to be 49 kilometres long, that new road. And if we do that, that is going to be our 5th mark that we require for this question. So identifying the towns, 1 mark. Writing the length between each town on the edge, that is our 2nd mark. Identifying the shortest path, the 3rd mark. Finding the length of the shortest path, is the 4th mark. And then subtracting that 4 kilometres to get an answer of 49 kilometres would give us our 5th mark. Now, as previously mentioned, there's a number of different ways that we could have got from Menin all the way down here, okay, to Farrer. I've chosen, on the red line here, I've chosen the shortest path.